Yo, right now I really want to talk about like owning a bike. One reason why I really want to talk about this is because I realize a lot of people want to buy bike, they want to buy bike, but they don't understand what owning rather than Jerry. Easy Jerry, easy Jerry, easy, you know what I mean? Where am I going to slippers? I want to just ride up and slap him on the head. You're afraid, you're afraid. Anyways guys, owning a bike. You see, owning a bike, it comes with a lot of responsibility. It's not just taking your money, taking your 100,000, your 200,000 or whatever, how much 100,000, and buying the bike and just riding the bike. Like owning a bike come with maintenance as well, upkeep, all of them things there. You see, once you own a vehicle, it becomes a liability. A vehicle only becomes an asset when you use it to make back the money, or use it to make money, or use it to make back the money where you spend money. That's the only way a vehicle becomes an asset. An asset is something that basically gives you money in layman terms. Asset is something we bring in returns. You see me? Liability is something that takes from you. So liability is something that you forever will be spending on it. So that's a liability. For instance, you buy land. Land is an asset because land increases in value over time. So the longer you have the land, the more in value it will increase. Especially if people move in near you and develop the area. So basically buying a vehicle, any vehicle, well, not really any vehicle, but buying a bike, let's say, buying a bike and using it for commuting, it's a liability because it basically now make back the money where you spend. Right? You see, like the man them work 7 crave and them delivery service there, for them bike is an asset to them because the bike allow them to make back them money. Easy 1, 2, 3. So when you buy a bike, you have to have them thing there in mind. Say, yo, you are going forever be spending on it. You see me? And you are going forever be spending on it. And you have to think about upkeep and maintenance. You can't just buy it and ride it. You have to think about maintenance. You have to think about buying gas. You have to think about chain maintenance. You have to think about oil change. You have to think about wheel, bearing, tire, all of them something that you have to take in account. Jerry gone to blow. I frighten him. Oh no. Cousin Jerry, what go on? Yeah? Yeah. But I not everyday thing. Nah, man. Yeah, I not everyday thing, man. Every now and then, you know? Yeah. Where you go now? I don't work here, go. Yeah. In our slippers? Yeah. I'll be barefoot. Yeah, easy, you know? There ain't no easy block now. Flat chump though, I like it. But yeah guys, you have to think about those stuff when you're owning or you're thinking about owning a bike or any vehicle for that thing there. You see me? Smell be a breakthrough. Yeah, you have to think about upkeep because yo, like, alright, let's say you're a new biker. If you're a new biker, you're supposed to gather information about the thing where you want. You see me? You're supposed to gather information about like how much you don't know how much the bike itself will cost. But you have to gather information like how much it will cost if you change your oil. I want to do that, yeah. have to gather all type of information. You can't just buy the bike and expect to just ride the bike. You have to maintain it. If you buy it and don't maintain it, it'll run down. You see me? It'll go run down. You are going to spend your money in vain and it are going to run down. How is Jerry gone? Ain't gone down, so. Yeah. You have to maintain it. For if you don't maintain it, it'll run down and your money will go to waste basically. I'm afraid to change gear, you know. That's my problem. I'm afraid. I use the foot brake, you know. I use it, I tap it and everything. I'm afraid to change gear, you're afraid. And then shall go so, you know. Oh, I need to go ATM. Yeah, so with this mount, you know, bad we bad. Soon forward. No boy, my dog. I'm gonna go that way, cause that's a machine, my dog. Zooks. Come on, bro. Hurry up, bro. Yeah, guys. So continuing. One. Oh my God, potholes. This when me I drive, this is the road I normally take. Oh shit, potholes. Oh my God, I spoke about it in a previous video, in a video. Like, when me on the bike, me literally don't have to take no shortcut. Like, me just know main road, cause I mean, you don't need to be taking shortcuts on the bike, bro. But anyways, as I was saying, people, owning a vehicle, owning a bike, you have to think about everything else that comes with it. Me now just want to now buy bike and I say yes, I have a bike, you know. Have to think about maintenance. Have to think about maintenance, brother. You see it? And you have to have a money put on as well in case it drop. And sometimes it's not in case it drop, you know, when it drop to blouse and skirt. When? You hear me? Cause it gonna happen. And when it drop, cause me I tell you something. When me start ride bike, me never think me did a drop, you know. Me never think me did a drop. Me never think me did a drop. Cause me I say, alright, me I be careful. And me I take time. And me I do this. And me I do that. You see me? So me never think me did a drop. That guy is shaving. So when me get my first drop, I sweetest thing. I laugh, your friend. Love it. Me say. Yeah. Me can go down so or me can go so. But I go just go so. Yee-hee. For sure! Oh, boy. Yeah, so I really want to know if you think about this. You see me? You have to buy a bike, but always know set maintenance of it in play. You see me? Just when you buy a bike, you check the oil. Because you see, oil is bloodline to bike. Oil is like blood. If your body not blood in it, you are go dead. Your body needs blood. That's how oxygen is transferred. And you see me, all of them good stuff there and way, you see it? So you have to maintain the thing, dog. You can't just buy a thing. You just ride up and down, and then all of a sudden be a block noise here, shake. This is you want to tighten up, and you don't know how to tighten it up, bro. Like, guys, yo, me not telling you no lie. Sometimes me kinda sick and tired for a year. Some man ask me some question like, yo, me a hear one nice. You see me? I mean, engine nice, sure, yeah. Cause you not gonna really know them thing there. But if you hear that night like something shake, the first thing you need to do is look, search through. You see me? Put up the bike on the stand if you have the main stand, and go through and search and check to make sure say everything buttoned down and everything tighten up. You see me? Them basic thing that you need to do. You can't just have a bike and just, you see me? You can't just have a bike and just have it up and down. Maintenance, guys, maintenance. Me know me I repeat myself, but me just want to stress this because that's something I see. You see me? Something I see. Oh, them can actually drive go down here, so I didn't know that. Oh, this is actually a gully. Yo, can you imagine when you have a flood? Holy shit, yeah, I got a river in the backyard. A dirty river. I'm placed down here so we sell breakfast. Maybe me stop and buy something. Road body of fret. A lot of the time it's when you pull over to avoid patrol, you have to look, you know. Because sometimes one vehicle we just try pass at the same time, you know. Woo! Shocks feel tough. Feel like me buy breakfast. Where's my place there again? I'm not pass it yet. Shit. Oh no, down this right there, yeah. Hey, me I tell you the truth of God love, you know. It's when me a blouse and skirt drive, yeah, so me no sit down there, you know. Me outside. Outside like a dog, me dog. No boy, me dog. Going and park bike right here, so cause me nah left my bike outside. Can't left it outside, you know. For the boy them see it morning, sir. You understand? Alright. What do I need? Oh, what about? I don't see nothing on the menu. The other one, I know him then on company, so him not go do nothing. Corn me, alright, give me a small porridge and 2 fritters, please. So why this nigga come here so come block your machine? Hey, watch yourself, you know. You don't have to be paranoid in these streets, you know, dog. You don't have to be paranoid. If you're not paranoid, you're gonna get frig, nigga. Hey, we outside! Don't move! Oh my god, it's so congested. This is what bikers do! So when you have to block not stop like this, you have to be very careful now. We can take the time and go up still and turn when it's clear. I'm gonna pull a nice wheelie off this stoplight, nigga! The spray don't fall. Oh my god, I hope I don't fall. Always keep a check. Always keep a check, bruh. I am so afraid to change gears. I am so afraid to change gears, bro. Shit, nigga. Me know I want to come over. Look, he come over. I told y'all. Woo. No boy, my dog. Look. Nigga, you scared, nigga. Nah, bro, no stoplight. Watch out. No dog engine, brother. That's why I'm not like them footsteps too close to engine, bro. I pop a baby one for y'all. Not a big one, just a baby one. Y'all, let's set good. I got Jesus. I got Jesus. Back brake feel out your foot. This is why I don't go through lights as soon as they change, nigga. Cause y'all always doing that shit. No boy, me dog. No boy. Oh shit, my nigga. Holy shit, nigga! Holy shit! I was so frightened. I was like, you see the shadow there? And I was like, what the fuck? This nigga sneak up on me, man! That's a silly move, brother! Good thing me never lift it, come here, I tell you! That wouldn't have been good, brother! Wouldn't be good, brother! Dance on forever and never dance on. Hey, the dance on, red, the dance on, red, the dance on, red, the red, the red. Ah, never. Shit, I'm late as fudge. Come over now, punk. Yeah. Ram up in the back of that plot, nod. Whoa, shit, loose it! Oh. Hey, that's third gear. Bro, this thing does not come up in third. See this? You wait until the line is broken, then you overtake. You get what I'm saying? The police can't take you for that shit, nigga. This police is there. La policia! How are you? Brother, you know you're not, you're just there so I sit down on a pose. You have not now check here, you're a poser. Outside. No, I'm afraid for really, I'll be a loose bird.